Markets witnessed a choppy day of trade today ahead of the May expiry, remember, and the indices ping-ponged between gains as well as losses and finally ending the day on a flat note. And the broader markets, meanwhile, outperformed with the small cap index gaining over 1.5% today. Looking at the sectoral picks then, and metals, oil and gas as well as consumer durables all witnessed profit booking. Aisha Faridi is right here with a detailed market check. Hi, Aisha.
Well, a day of consolidation largely, and you would have to say it was quite a decent session. It was choppy, but in a very, very narrow band, so atypical of any penultimate day before expiry tomorrow. So the Nifty finally settled above the 7300 mark. That seems like a strong support for the index. 7329 is where we managed to shut shop in today's trading session. It was metals and PSUs which were the top sectoral laggards. Cement as a sector was the shining one, which held out very smartly, and IT as well saw some strong moves. Banks too managed to gain by about 0.6% for the Bank Nifty, and yet again you had outperformance from the broader markets. So stronghold coming in from Ambuja Cement, Ultratech, ACC, even the smaller boys. Couple of blue chip counters helped the Nifty afloat. So HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank as well as Infosys did their bit. Metals didn't have all that great a session. Key cases in point being Jindal Steel, Hindalco as well as Tata Steel, which lost. And PSUs as a chunk saw some profit taking coming in yet again. So Syndicate Bank, SAIL, MTNL, ONGC, Lapat Bank, PNB, these were your key losers in trade. Futures and options activity in the laggards for the likes of Dish TV, HPCL and SAIL. Gains coming in for PFC, OBC, Ultratech Cement and Just Dial as well shot up for a second day on the trot. And then of course there was the long list of mid-cap movers. SCI, a 13% spike up coming in for that one. OBC, RCF, PFC, Z, PTC, Gati and Unitech were the other movers. Expiry day tomorrow, so it's going to be an action-packed one. We'll catch you on Trading Calls.